Okay, now please look at this picture. There are some wall clocks. I hope you have seen this picture. Now going forth, there is this supporting study by French and Richards 1933 to investigate the schemata influence on memory retrieval. In the study, there were three conditions. Condition 1, participants were shown a clock with Roman numerals and asked to draw from memory. Condition 2, the same procedure except the participants were told beforehand that they would be required to draw the clock from memory. Condition 3, the clock was left in full view of the participants and just had to draw it. The clock used represented the number 4 with 4 lines rather than not the conventional 1 and V4. Okay, so the results were that in the first two conditions the participants reverted to the conventional 4 notation, whereas in the third condition the fourth notation because of the direct copy. They found that subjects asked to draw from memory a clock that had Roman numerals on its face typically represented is the number 4 on the clock face as IV rather than the correct 1111, whereas those merely asked to copy it typically drew 1111. So conclusion is that French and Richards explained this result in terms of schematic knowledge of Roman numerals affecting memory retrieval. The findings supported the idea that subjects in the copy condition were more likely than subjects in other conditions to draw the clock without invoking schematic knowledge of Roman numerals. So this again says that how schema affects or influences our retrieval, our memory and our retrieval. We saw the clock. I show you the picture of the clock. You all saw the clock. And the moment I snapped it to the other screen, you wanted to recall. They were like the participants who recalled it later and drew the clock. Most of them were writing 1V as 4 because in their schema of the clock in Roman numerals, it is 1V as 4. It is 1V as represented as 4 in Roman numerals. So it is their memory, it is their schema that is influencing their retrieval. Okay, but the ones who were copying directly, they wrote 1111 rather than conventional 1V as a Roman numeral because they were directly copying. So this clearly shows that when we are trying to recall something, maybe we are not recalling exactly what we saw. We recall because it is influenced by our schema. There is some kind of alterations, omissions, additions when we are trying to recall something, because when we are recalling or we are retrieving from our memory, it is always influenced by schema. I hope you liked my video, and if you have any comments or you have not understood anything, please write in the comments below, and if you liked it, then please like and share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be talking much more about IB psychology and in general videos as well.